it's a brand new week and it's a brand new day and a brand new episode of your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish and welcome back to the one-stop shop for all the latest news, views and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. We have a great show planned today, but before that, I do want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. On with that, let's kickstart the show. Neha Kakkar shares special moments from the wedding celebrations and thanks her new family for organizing the best reception. Kareena Kapoor Khan turns perfect host for Taimur Ali Khan's Halloween party. Kajal Agarwal looks stunning as a bride as she walks down the aisle with her father. Ravi Shastri speaks up about Anushka Virat controversy for the first time. Sushant Singh Rajput's case is the CBI's responsibility, says Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Neha is clearly loving being married and the Nai Naveli Dulhan can't stop gushing about just how fun their wedding ceremonies were. एक नए सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट में नेहा ने अपने फैंस और फॉलोअर्स को मिलवाया अपने ससुराल वालों से as she shared a number of pictures from their wedding reception in Punjab and thanked Rohanpreet's family for organizing a great reception. Neha and Rohanpreet have been married for a week now, but they continue to celebrate and share the joy by posting updates and sharing pictures from their wedding ceremonies and reception and making sure to thank all those who made their wedding week so special. Family, friends and even the fashion designers who made the custom lehengas and sherwanis that made them look their best at all the functions. Neha and Rohanpreet had an elaborate Indian wedding in Delhi, which was followed by a grand reception in Punjab that was hosted by Rohanpreet's family. Check it out. Neha has been sharing pictures from the wedding, Sangeet and their post-wedding party, and now the singer has created a special post to thank her Sasuma, Sasurji and the whole of Rohanpreet's family for organizing a wonderful reception for the two of them. नेहा ने अपने पंजाब में ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए रिसेप्शन से कई फोटो शेयर किए जहां वो और रोहनप्रीत अपने पूरे परिवार के साथ शादी के ग्रुप फोटोज में पोज कर रहे हैं. Thanking her new family for the best reception ever, Neha captioned her post, @Rohanpreet Singh and family hosted the best reception ever. Thank you everyone in the family. Nehu loves you all. पोस्ट देख के यही लगता है कि वाकई रोहनप्रीत की फैमिली ने अपने बहू को वेलकम करने में कोई कमी नहीं रखी. From a beautifully decorated venue, lots of नाच गाना and supporting Neha in all the post-wedding games and rituals, नेहा के ससुराल में सब उनको खुश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. While many pictures and videos from the reception have been shared earlier, Neha के photos में पहली बार हमने देखा that the family had organized a beautiful cake for the couple. The 3-tier custom-made cake was covered in white and gold icing और केक के ऊपर टेक्स्ट में नेहू प्रीत लिखा हुआ था. We also love the special cutout of Neha and Rohanpreet's photograph on top of the cake. केक के चारों तरफ फूलों का खूबसूरत डेकोरेशन है and it seems that Rohanpreet's family really went out of their way to make the function special for their new bahu and son. Neha has also shared pictures of Rohanpreet and herself entering the venue hand in hand, cutting the cake with her husband and then taking lots of pictures with all her new family members. It's lovely to see the couple enjoying married life and we wish them all the very best of luck. खूबसूरत लाल जोड़े में सजकर आंखों में हजार सपने सजाए काजल अग्रवाल ने अपने पापा का हाथ थामकर नई जिंदगी की तरफ कदम बढ़ाया. The excited but slightly nervous bride held on tightly to her father's arm as she walked down the aisle towards the prince who stole her heart, Gautam Kichelu. Kajal and Gautam married in a combination of Punjabi and Kashmiri ceremonies. The couple also included a ceremony from Telugu weddings, Jilakara Belam, to honor the connection they both have to Andhra Pradesh. Kajal and Gautam had announced their wedding plans earlier this month and shared that they would be getting married in a traditional but intimate ceremony with just immediate family and close friends given the current pandemic-related restrictions. After the Mehndi and Haldi celebrations, Kajal और Gautam ने मुंबई के एक 5-star होटल में 7 फेरे लगाए and hosted a post-wedding celebration for those who were part of their big day. Check it out. The actor has been sharing updates from her wedding on social media pages, and the new Mrs. Kichelu wrote a heartfelt note for her husband as she shared a picture of her kissing his hand during the wedding ceremony. And just like that, from Miss to Mrs., I married my confidant, companion, best friend and soulmate. So glad I found all of this and my home in you, @Kichelu G. Earlier, Kajal had also shared a wedding portrait of herself and Gautam as they posed in front of a majestic flight of stairs and wrote candidly about the difficulties of planning a wedding in the current scenario. Planning a wedding entails so many moving parts, and added to that, the pandemic definitely was a challenge. However, we strictly followed protocols, which meant that we had to have a very small wedding. Kajal looked like a real princess in a designer red and pink lehenga, which she accessorized with traditional jewelry and a red chuda like Punjabi brides do. She has shared stunning pictures of herself in full splendor of her bridal beauty and specially thanked the designer who created her stunning outfit. Thank you for all your hard work, intricacy, attention to detail, and most importantly, all the love that you put into this piece of art that I wore on my most important day, Kajal wrote in her post. After the wedding, the couple hosted a small reception for their guests where Kajal looked stunning in a golden lehenga choli while her husband chose an all-black suit for the celebration. But while all of social media couldn't stop gushing about just how gorgeous Kajal was looking, her husband Gautam shared a candid and adorable picture of his new wife in a completely non-glamorous avatar from her morning as Mrs. Kichelu. Gautam captioned his post, "Waking up as Mrs. Kichelu." अब इस कैंडिड पोस्ट के लिए गौतम को माफ किया जाएगा या नहीं, ये हम नहीं जानते. But all we can say is that we wish Kajal and Gautam a lifetime of happiness. Bollywood seems to be enjoying celebrating Halloween. और नन्हे तैमूर से लेके प्रियंका चोपड़ा जोनस तक, B-Town folk seem to be in a spooky mood, dressing up to celebrate this American festival with great enthusiasm. In between Dussehra and Diwali, it looks like Halloween is gaining a lot of popularity in big cities across India. Kids and adults dress up in scary costumes and traditionally go trick-or-treating with friends and collect candy from each other's homes. Many Bollywood celebrities made sure to dress up in cool costumes or use interesting social media filters to share happy Halloween posts. Check it out. While many adults abroad and in India love dressing up like witches and ghosts for this spooky festival, it's kids who have the maximum fun during Halloween as they get to wear a special costume, eat lots of sweets and spend time with their friends. This year, little Taimur seems to have had a blast when mom Kareena Kapoor Khan took him to a small Halloween celebration with a few of his friends. करीना shared pictures of तैमूर जिनको कॉस्ट्यूम में पहचान पाना मुश्किल है. तैमूर ने अपने दोस्तों के साथ खूब मजे किए and the kids can be seen collecting chocolates and posing with lots of balloons and other fun goodies at the party. Bebo though seems to have skipped the Halloween costume for a comfortable maternity gown and bright sandals accompanied her son to the party which was organized by one of her close friends. But while Kareena opted for a fuss-free outfit, her friend Sonam Kapoor Ahuja, who has been in London for several months now with husband Anand Ahuja, spent hours dressing up as the famous Hollywood yesteryear star Marilyn Monroe. Sonam shared several pictures and 2 time-lapse videos to show the effort that went into transforming her. Sonam captioned one of the videos and wrote, "My Marilyn moment. Watch how I went from SKA to MM. Don't let the time-lapse fool you guys. It took hours of me sitting down with my team working their magic. So pleased with the result. Yay." Priyanka, who was in Germany till recently and seems to have made it back to the US just in time for the Halloween weekend, shared a small video on social media where she has transformed her face using what appears to be a mask or a social media filter. ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट मोड में शूट किया गया इस वीडियो क्लिप को शेयर करते हुए प्रियंका ने अपने फैंस को हैप्पी हैलोवीन विश किया. Other than Kareena, Sonam and Priyanka, other actors like Bhumi Pednekar, Soha Ali Khan, Sonakshi Sinha, Neha Dhupia and SRK's daughter Suhana Khan were amongst the many celebrities who shared pictures of themselves either dressed as famous personalities or in spooky costumes as they celebrated this newfound craze for Halloween in India.
If she felt hurt, she has every right to say what she wants to say. She's a lady, and ladies are entitled to their rights.
Anushka Sharma is enjoying her first pregnancy, and the actor is spending lots of quality time with cricketer husband Virat Kohli in the UAE, where he is playing a cricket tournament. The couple, who announced that they were expecting their first baby early next year, has been sharing adorable moments from their time together as they enjoy time before their bundle of joy arrives. Anushka and Virat are one of India's perceived power couples. She is a successful actor and producer, and he is India's cricket captain and youth icon. The two have been setting relationship goals ever since they got married, but Anushka has had a lot of trolling to face multiple times from cricket fans in India who have blamed her for Virat's occasional poor performance on the field. Even recently, there was furore after Sunil Gavaskar during commentary made comments about Virat practicing cricket with just Anushka during the lockdown. Check it out. Anushka is often seen supporting her husband during cricket matches, and from 2018, the actor has been on an extended break from acting, focusing on creating path-breaking content with her production house and spending more time with husband Virat Kohli. The couple, who has very busy schedules otherwise, ended up getting lots of quality time together during the extended lockdown, and Anushka has now accompanied Virat to the UAE, where he is playing a popular cricket tournament.
Hey, Kohli! Chauka marna, chauka! Kya kar raha hai? Hey, Kohli! Chauka maar!
It was from the UAE that the couple announced their pregnancy, and since then, Anushka has been sharing some adorable pictures of her growing baby bump, posing in a swimming costume and cute pink overalls with chic maternity dresses. The couple was also clicked enjoying a dip in the ocean during sunset, and their romantic picture sent social media into a complete meltdown. But जहां दोनों कई स्वीट मोमेंट्स एक दूसरे के साथ बिता रहे हैं, वहीं there was some bitterness recently as well when Anushka was hurt by comments that cricketing legend Sunil Gavaskar made during his commentary. Referring to the viral video of Anushka and Virat practicing cricket together during the lockdown, Mr. Gavaskar had said, "सिर्फ अनुष्का की bowling की practice की है उन्होंने." Anushka had taken offense to these comments since she has been trolled multiple times when Virat fails to score enough runs. Commenting on the controversy for the first time, head coach of the Indian cricket team, Ravi Shastri, spoke to Times Now and shared his opinion. He said, "If Anushka Sharma felt it, she is entitled to say. Whether the comment made by Sunil Gavaskar is agreeable or not, I would not have gone down that route myself." Ravi seemed to have taken a more balanced approach to the whole issue, showing Anushka's support but refusing to openly criticize a legend like Mr. Gavaskar. Well, everyone seems to have moved on from the controversy now, and Anushka and Virat are slowly inching towards the last few months of it being just the two of them before their cute little baby arrives. टाइगर श्रॉफ और दिशा पटानी के पास 10 बहाने हैं अपनी रिलेशनशिप को एडमिट करने के, but Disha can't stop herself from admiring boyfriend Tiger's moves as he shared a behind-the-scenes video of rehearsing for the song 10 Bahane that also features Shraddha Kapoor. Disha and Tiger भले ही इनकार करें, but their undeniable chemistry on and off screen and constant social media flirtation and admiration for each other's posts speaks to the special bond that they share. The two stars shared common passions for fitness, dance, and Disha's also extremely close to Tiger's family, especially his sister Krishna. It looks like she is quite a chilled out girlfriend as well, admiring Tiger's moves with Shraddha in a new behind the scenes video. Check it out. Tiger Shroff is not just one of the fittest actors in Bollywood. उनके dance moves ने भी पूरे इंडिया को दीवाना कर दिया है. The actor, who has performed some terrific dance numbers in each of his films, frequently shares videos of himself working out and rehearsing his gravity-defying aerial acts and flips, जिसे देख के लोग देखते ही रह जाते हैं. Tiger, who has worked with Shraddha Kapoor on 2 of the Baghi films, shares a great equation with the light-eyed star who also matches him step for step on the dance floor. Tiger ने recently share किया एक throwback video which is rehearsing footage of the two stars practicing their moves for 10 Bahane for Baghi 3. The clip has glimpses of Tiger rehearsing solo and often shirtless to show off his perfectly sculpted abs, and with Shraddha, who also impresses with her dance skills. Tiger captioned the post, "Here's some extra BTS rehearsing footage of Shraddha Kapoor and I for 10 Bahane 2.0. Soon after Tiger shared the video, Disha couldn't help but share her reaction to Tiger's cool moves and dropped fire emojis on Tiger's post. Well, Tiger dance floor पे आते ही आग लगाते हैं, so we completely agree with Disha's reaction to the video. Shraddha also reacted to Tiger sharing this throwback video and commented, "Thanks for letting me steal your video. Always a blast dancing with you, Tiger Shroff. Hashtag throwback, hashtag 10 Bahane 2.0, hashtag Baghi 3. Tiger ने अपने co-star के comment पे respond करते हुए लिखा, "One of my faves with you. You killed it." We tend to agree, Tiger. You always kill it on the dance floor and in fight sequences, and we can't wait to see you on the big screen again. चलिए दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere. We're coming right back. As the CBI continues to investigate the Sushant Singh Rajput case, Bihar Chief Minister, who had first recommended that the central agency look into the case, has now spoken up about the case.
CBI देख रही है तो CBI का दायित्व है और सब काम हो ही रहा है.
It will soon be 5 months since Sushant Singh Rajput passed away, and the aftermath of the actor's shocking demise saw a huge social media backlash against a section of powerful Bollywood insiders and star kids. Many actors and technicians have spoken about lobbying and unfair working practices within the industry. While foul play has been ruled out by an AIIMS medical team, the CBI is yet to submit its final report in the case. Here's the story. Sushant Singh Rajput passed away on the 14th of June at his residence in Bandra, and initially the Mumbai police were investigating the matter as a case where the actor had caused his own demise. However, Sushant's father filed an FIR in the end of July in Patna, accusing Sushant's rumored girlfriend Riya Chakrabarti of cheating his son financially, harassing him, distancing Sushant from his family, and abetting his demise. Mr. KK Singh was supported by the Bihar Chief Minister, who urged the central government to ask the CBI to investigate the case. But now, as the 5th month anniversary of the actor's demise approaches, the CBI is yet to submit its final investigative report. The AIMS panel, which had been formed to look into the actor's forensic and autopsy reports, has ruled out any foul play in the actor's demise, and the ED too has not found any direct transfer of funds from Sushant's account to Ria's. Speaking about the case to Times Now, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, who was instrumental in escalating the matter to a national level, has commented about the investigation. The Chief Minister said that the CBI is investigating the case और अब ये उनकी जिम्मेदारी है.
सीबीआई देख रही है तो सीबीआई का दायित्व है और सब काम हो ही रहा है.
सुशांत की फैमिली और फैंस भी सीबीआई की रिपोर्ट का ही इंतजार कर रहे हैं ताकि वंस एंड फॉर ऑल इस केस में इन्वॉल्व सभी को क्लोजर मिले एंड सुशांत सोल कैन फाइनली रेस्ट इन पीस.
And with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood, promising to be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, do check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. Stay home, stay safe, do whatever you can to be happy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.